Yo, so this guy is making this unicorn from a screenshot using GPT 5.5, and watch what he says. Shit's crazy.
Okay, boom. Let's continue in here. And let's see if it can make that. Here we can see the context. Already 26k views. That's kind of crazy. That's kind of crazy. Okay, first of all, I'm going to open the...
All right, let's go to... let's go right here.
Did it test the computer? Saw it him... Wow. Oh, wait. This is actually good. By the way, you can just
Okay,
open
right here.
this. Oh, it's built in here. Oh, wait. This is actually good. Let me check the reference. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. What? Guys, this is nearly identical. What? Wait a sec.
Nearly identical. Bro, are we looking at the same image?
Full screen. Just a screenshot. Full screen. Yo. What? Okay. First test. I am impressed. How did it nail so accurately?
So accurately? Okay.
From a screenshot. Okay, that's impressive. Alright. But let's not get too excited.
Alright, let's go back. The feet right here are all fucked up. They don't... Right there. Well, I'll just circle the fucking things. Okay, so the feet and then the hooves. The leg right here is all fucked up. It's not even attached. And then the eyelashes, there's 3 eyelashes here. There's only 2 there. The back feet are all fucked up, and you can see it right here. The upper legs, because these 2 look like they're behind, and they have a little bit of depth. And these right here are not even connected, and then the line in the middle is all fucked up. And the tail is in front, and this tail is in the back. Like, dude, this is a miscreation. This ain't even fucking close to identical. What the fuck is going on, man? There's probably even other shit that I'm not even catching.